quick little update on the bike. The bike has done around 4,600 kilometers. I have noticed that the front brake pads have worn out a lot. You can barely see any material left on the pads, so I ordered a new set of BREMBO brake pads from my spare market. So right now I am heading to the service center to get them installed. Just got done at the service center. We got fresh brake pads. This is Raj's bike. So it's time to go home now. Pretty quick. Just took like 2 to 3 minutes max. I'll go get some fuel first because the bike literally has no fuel, as you can see. सादा फुल आराम से करना. I put the brake pads.
Number plate.